Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this jellyfish outfit in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this purple color and this fur hat, and you're going to apply this pattern, and then this hat, make it pink. Okay, and this necklace, you're going to make it pink for all the selection, and then you're going to combine it with this necklace, make it the same pink color, and the socks, make it high striped socks, and then make it this color, and this heel, you're going to make it pink, and this corset, change it to toggle one, and then you're going to make it this purple color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to put on this top and then make it purple. Okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this skirt, make it this pattern. Okay, you can apply the same pattern to all these selections, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this top, and then you're going to make it purple. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the next area. Okay, we can go to this area and then put on this skirt and make it this pattern, and go to the dressing room, and then you're going to go to this menu and then select this dress, make it this one, and then I'm going to go to this menu again, apply this skirt, and you're going to make it pink and also purple. Basically guys, you can combine these two colors, light pink and light purple, and you're going to put on this top, then choose to go 3, sorry, and then you're going to make it purple like this. Okay, now it's done, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.